Welcome to Helvetinjärvi National Park. Let's take a little walk.
Under roots turned upside down, past the gate carved from the ground, lies a trail the old folk name as a pathway into flame. But the fire here is quiet, just the whisper of the pines, and the only heat you'll carry is the beating heart you find. Every step feels older, like the earth is holding on, telling stories through the branches of a world that's never gone, where the silence carves the land and the cliffs like giants stand. There's a lake so dark and still, it can swallow every fear. Yeah, the colors burn like embers in the forest's ancient hand. This ain't hell, this is wonder, where the silence carves the land. Down the trail of softened needles, through the golden fading green, lies the boardwalk through the marshlands, like a ribbon in a dream. Every footstep feels like echo from a place untouched by time, and the wind that chills your shoulder feels like something half divine. There's a calm that hits you slowly, like a memory turned to stone, and you breathe a little deeper when the wild says you're not alone, where the silence carves the land and the cliffs like giants stand. There's a lake so dark and still, it reflects what you hold dear. Let the colors fall around you like a painter's final stand. This ain't hell, this is wonder, where the silence carves the land. Maybe names are just old stories left to twist with autumn air, but the truth lives in the quiet, in the wild that grows from prayer. Call it hell, call it heaven, call it something in between, but the cliffs don't care for legend They just guard what they have seen. Where the silence carves the land, and the pines like watchmen stand. Every echo, every shadow has a place to disappear. Let the golden leaves remind you that the wild is close at hand. This ain't hell, this is wonder, where the silence carves the land.